Today in the laundry, Kitty Pye come over to me, so I knew something was going on, 'cause she never speak to me in the normal way of things. "Now, to guess what?" she say. "What?" I say. "Tilda Kett's back," she say, and afore I could ask any question, she tunned on her heel and flounced off. You may remember, Tilda Kett got in the family way with Long Tom the butcher's boy and had to marry him in the chapel, do her father was about to run him through with a pitchfork. Their baby looked like a little bit of scrag end. But since then she had a few more chillens. As far as anyone knew, Tom was running the abbatoir for the butcher and providing quite well for his family. Anyhow, I had to promise Kitty I'd give her some of my bear. We get extra because that's hard work in the laundry. But in the end, she told me that Tilda was back in the workhouse and had brought all her little chillens. For now, I didn't think Tom had it in him, because Tom had disappeared and no one knew where he was. Tilda's father was going all about in a rage trying to find him, but no one had seen him for a month. "So, Long Tom's long gone," said Kitty. That was a good one for her, because she hadn't got no sense of humour.